Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we're going to talk about 7 ways you can make a lot of money during a recession. But before we start, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the bell icon to be notified for future videos. Recessions are scary. The higher risk of job losses and business collapses, stock market crashes, and home value drops, it can feel like no part of your life is safe. But recessions also represent an opportunity for those who take the long view. You can buy investments and businesses at a discount and position yourself to earn more when the dust settles. As you prepare for the next recession, keep in mind the following ways to make money in a recession. Number 1, protect your earning power first. If you lose your primary source of income, it doesn't matter how savvy you are at investing. You won't have any extra money to invest, and all your effort will go into finding a new job to protect your personal finances. So your first priority is to protect your job, or your business if you're self-employed. How financially stable is your employer or business? How secure is your role? Some jobs are more recession-proof than others. If you have any doubts about your job or small business surviving a recession, take steps to shore it up. That could mean switching employers in the same field or changing careers entirely. If necessary, get a new career certification or degree to make a preemptive move while you still have a steady income. You can also protect your income by adding new sources of it. For example, you can start an online business. I placed a link in the description below of an affiliate program that can help you generate around $20,000 per month. Number 2, save more. You're more likely to experience a personal financial crisis during a recession. That means you should prepare in advance by boosting your saving rate to pad your emergency fund and savings account. Break out a red marker and start slashing expenses from your budget. Scratch that. Start a new budget entirely. It's easy to do with a budget template in Google Sheets. Put every single budget category under the microscope. Number 3, play defense with short-term investments, offense for long-term. You don't want your short-term investments to lose money due to the recession. After all, your short-term investments are typically meant to be safe ways to earn a modest return while parking your money for under a year. Do some research on recession-proof investments for any money you might need to access within the next year or two. If you see risky assets among short-term holdings, divest now and move the money to safer harbors. Those could include precious metals, consumer staples, or dividend stocks with strong cash flow, among many others. But your long-term investments are another story. You actually want to seek out the assets that fall the most during recessions to potentially buy them at a deep discount. Just ensure you buy assets that will rebound in the long term, rather than evaporate entirely. Number 4, buy heavily discounted stocks. In recessions, stocks nearly always fall, and dramatically. You could wring your hands and stress over it, or you could consider the stock market to be on sale, like a Black Friday for your net worth. Stock markets usually fall in the 6 months leading up to a recession. And in the midst of it, the S&P 500 has averaged a 16% return in the 12 months following recessions. And in the bigger picture, it's averaged around a 10% annual return since its inception. For more information, see our article on average historical stock market returns. The safest bet here is buying large-cap U.S. stock exchange-traded funds, such as index funds that mirror the S&P 500, that provides you with diversification among companies with sound fundamentals and balance sheets. But some types of stocks fall more during stock market corrections than others, leading to deeper discounts. Number 5, use dollar cost averaging. Along those lines, set up automated recurring investments every week or two. It's called dollar cost averaging, and it helps your portfolio mimic the market as a whole. Consider opening an account with a Roboadvisor to set up automated recurring investments, or you can create a custom investment strategy with your financial advisor. It may not be sexy, but it works. Sure beats the returns when you try to time the market. Number 6, buy investment properties. Recessions sometimes cause real estate prices to dip. Housing markets don't fall as steeply as stocks, but you can often score a great deal during recessions. That could include buying foreclosures, which tend to rise during recessions, or fixer-uppers. The seller doesn't have the money to repair themselves. While home prices sometimes dip in recessions, rents don't actually fall. At worst, they level off for a time. Lower prices with stable rents mean you can earn better cash flow on investment properties than usual. Number 7, buy businesses at a discount. Public companies see their value fall during recessions, but so do small private businesses. If you've always dreamed of owning your own business but hate the idea of starting from scratch, you can often buy operating businesses during recessions at deep discounts. So guys, this concludes the list of 7 ways you can make a lot of money during a recession. Give us a thumbs up and show your support in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.